Have you ever wondered if your skin cells look like mini versions of you under a microscope? Well, they don't. But isn't it fascinating to think about? Welcome to the fantastic world of microscopy, where things are never as they seem. Microscopes, those trusty tools of biology, have truly transformed our understanding of the world, taking us on a journey deep into realms invisible to the naked eye. From the intricate structures of cells to the bustling communities of bacteria, it's like an alien world right beneath our fingertips. And now for a bit of fun. Did you know that salt crystals look like tiny, perfect cubes under a microscope, or that a strand of hair is actually thicker than a blood vessel? Mind-boggling, isn't it? So next time you look at a piece of bread, remember it's not just baked wheat, but a bustling city of yeast cells. You might think using a microscope is as easy as peering through a keyhole. Well, think again. Embarking on the journey of microscopy is more like a treasure hunt. It's a world of tiny wonders and fascinating discoveries, but it's not as simple as grabbing a map and a shovel. No. Microscopy is an art, and like any art, it requires precision, patience, and a pinch of creativity. Let's start with the first step, adjusting the eyepiece. Picture yourself as a pirate adjusting his telescope, scanning the horizon for a glint of gold. The eyepiece is your gateway to the microscopic world. Adjust it to your comfort, because there's no treasure hunting with a sore eye. Next, we have the objective lens. Think of this as your magnifying glass. It's what brings those teeny tiny cells into view. You can switch between lenses to zoom in and out, just like a detective switching between clues. But remember, handle the lenses with care. They're not Lego blocks. Now here's a fun bit. Remember how our pirate adjusts his telescope to get a clear view? Well, you'll be doing something similar with the focus knob. This little knob is your best friend in this adventure. It helps you bring your specimen into sharp focus, revealing all its hidden secrets. But be patient here. Turning the focus knob is not a race. In the world of microscopy, slow and steady wins the race. And of course, we can't forget the importance of light. Imagine trying to find your treasure in the dark. Not very efficient, is it? Adjusting the light source is crucial for a clear view of your specimen. And no, squinting doesn't count as a light adjustment. Now, let's talk about some common blunders. Ever placed your slide upside down? Or perhaps forgotten to adjust the light? It's like digging in the wrong spot for treasure, but don't worry, even the best of us have made these mistakes. Remember, folks, the key to good microscopy is patience, not strength. No need to Hulk smash your slides. So, what have we learned today, other than the fact that your skin cells probably don't resemble mini-yous? Well, we've taken a wild ride into the microscopic realm, where everyday objects transform into alien landscapes. We've discovered that using a microscope isn't as simple as just peering into a tube. It's a delicate dance of adjustments and fine-tuning. Remember our three-step microscope tango? Focus, adjust, and observe. Repeat until success. We've also learned that patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. You can't rush the microscopic world. It reveals itself in its own sweet time, giving you a front-row seat to the drama of life on a scale you've never imagined. And finally, we've seen that exploring the microscopic world is not just about science, it's about fun. It's about the thrill of discovery, the joy of seeing the unseen. And that's it. You're now ready to uncover the secrets of the microscopic world. Just remember, no superhero strength needed. Remember, the world of science is vast and exciting, and we're here to guide you through it. If you enjoyed today's journey into the microscopic, do hit that like button. If you've got thoughts, ideas, or questions, we'd love to hear them in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a moment of this fascinating journey. Until next time, keep exploring those tiny universes